Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. W Coin teams up with Nothing for final pre-listing airdrop. Don't miss out. W Coin x Nothing, a collaboration that could shape the future of crypto. W Coin is making waves in the crypto space with its latest announcement. It's teaming up with Nothing for one last epic airdrop campaign before its highly anticipated listing. On social media, X, formerly Twitter, W Coin teased the community with a cryptic yet exciting update. Step into the void. Mates, we're teaming up with Nothing. Complete the task and earn W keys, simple as that. A 60-day airdrop countdown, no delays, no changes. A reward pool fed by the void. A project where you are everything. This is our final campaign before the listing. Don't miss your chance to secure your drop. Check the task, claim your rewards, and be part of Nothing. This marks an exhilarating chapter for W Coin, setting the stage for what promises to be a game-changing listing. 60-day countdown. Step into the void with W Coin and Nothing. W Coin's new partnership with Nothing introduces a thrilling 60-day airdrop campaign that's unlike any other. This isn't just about free tokens. It's about immersing yourself in an experience that's built around you. The tasks are simple but rewarding, and the experience feels more like a journey than just a campaign. Here's the deal. Complete tasks. Earn W keys. Get ready for a listing you won't want to miss. W Coin describes the reward pool as being fed by the void, suggesting something mysterious and boundless. With each task you complete, you're not just earning W keys, you're stepping closer to becoming a part of something bigger. The stakes are high, and this is the final chance to stack your W keys before W Coin hits the mainstream market. W Coin's final pre-listing push. As the official listing draws near, this campaign marks the last opportunity for early adopters to secure their W keys before W Coin enters the broader crypto market. While full details of the collaboration with Nothing remain under wraps, the buzz in the crypto community is undeniable. People are already speculating on what this could mean for W Coin's future. The partnership is not just about generating excitement. It's a clever move to build serious momentum ahead of W Coin's listing. The crypto world is watching closely, and this airdrop might be the catalyst that propels W Coin into the spotlight. What's next for W Coin and you? To take part in the W Coin x Nothing airdrop, make sure you stay tuned to W Coin's official channels for updates on airdrop tasks, eligibility criteria, reward distribution. With W Coin promising no delays, no changes, participants can expect a smooth and well-organized campaign rollout. The countdown has begun, and as the final pre-listing airdrop kicks off, the excitement is palpable. This is a highly anticipated event in the crypto world, and you have a chance to be part of it.